I had a comment the other day from a couple of viewers, and they were wondering what the white wire, I guess it was possibly this guy right here. They were wondering where that goes, and that's where it goes right there. But here's a nice overview of the wiring here on this Kawasaki Bayou 220. And it looks like the mice chewed on that one just a little bit for me, but it's still working fine. But there's the layout right there. There's a black with a yellow stripe on that one, and a black, it looks like just a black wire on this one right here on the corner, right hand bottom corner, and then the white wire goes into this connector right here, and then there's nothing in this right here, and that's where the fuse is located underneath of here. And so there's the red wire, or the red terminal. The positive terminal goes to this solenoid right there, and the black goes to the chassis, through here. This one just leaves and goes somewhere, and then this comes back over here, but then there was also another comment about the voltage regulator. Where does that mount? And that mounts to this bolt right down inside of here, and it's actually this that my finger just cleared off that dirt from. That is the voltage regulator, so that's how it mounts up. And I'll get you on the other side, and I'll show you where the connector plugs in. So here's the other side, and you can see the bolt right down in there, right there. That's the voltage regulator bolt. So if you come over here on the left hand side of the machine and look up underneath of here, carburetor, and right inside of the air box, it's going to be hard to show you. There it is right there. So there's the voltage regulator bolted to the side of the air box, and there's the connector that plugs into it. So if you're wondering, that's it right there, that thing with the fins on it, right inside of there. So I hope that answers your questions. If you have any more questions, please let me know. But here's a view from this side. I'll give you a good look at that. And looks like down inside of here's that other relay. I'll show you the wiring for that. So let's see, there's a little key bump right here at the top, right here where it's wiggling. So green top left, brown bottom left, black, and possibly black. But yeah, it looks like I might have fixed that. That might have been something else in a previous life. But there you go. It still works. Everything works on this quad. The starter works perfectly fine, and the battery is, I don't know how old the battery is. Probably 6 years old, 7 years old now. But everything works great. So hopefully that helps. If you do have any more questions, please let me know, and we will try to help you as much as possible. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.